Ladies, do you feel confident in your decision to retire and what your life is going to look like afterwards? Hey, I'm Cindy, and welcome back to the Reinvention Years, where we talk about freedom, purpose, and independence after 50. I'm Cindy, a retired nurse, single mom of 3, and proud grandma. So if retirement left you feeling unsure of who you are, you're not alone. If your identity was tied up in your career, you're not alone. So today we're going to talk about how to rebuild your confidence and your sense of purpose after you hang up the scrubs or the office badge. So when we retire, it can feel like the ground shifts. For decades, our value is tied to what you did. Suddenly, the title's gone, but the heart that built it is still there. Confidence doesn't disappear. It just gets buried under years of giving to everybody but yourself. So step 1 is remember the wins. Pull out a notebook. Write down every challenge that you have faced and conquered. Make a list, right? You've led, you've nurtured, you've solved, created. That's proof of capability, not history. So if you want a guide to turn those skills into something new and maybe even earn some income online, grab my free blueprint at the link in my description. Step 2 is reconnect to your purpose. Ask, what lights me up now? It might be mentoring, traveling, teaching, coaching. Confidence grows when you're aligned with purpose. For me, when I retired, I knew that I wanted to be able to volunteer for the organizations that are important to me. I have 3 of them, and I volunteer fairly regularly. Live music is a big passion of mine, and I love to be able to support artists and discover new bands. It heals me, it soothes me, and I know the bands appreciate it because I know a lot of them personally. So you have to reconnect with your purpose, right? And step 3, you want to commit to small action. Action rebuilds self-trust. Start tiny. Take 1 course, 1 video, learn 1 new skill, because each win reminds your brain, I can do this. I am capable. My blueprint will walk you through these first small actions step by step. It's free, and it's exactly how I started after retirement. So thanks for being here with me today. And if this spoke to you, hit that subscribe button and join me for the next one, The Secret to Earning Without Burnout. You haven't lost confidence, my friend. You are just rediscovering it. I'm Cindy, and your reinvention starts now.